Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how I burn and dodge in Photoshop. What I'll do is go up to Layer, New Layer, and then I will change the mode to Overlay and fill Overlay neutral color 50% gray. And that creates this 50% gray layer over top of my background or my image. And then what I'll do is push B, I'll use the brush tool, and I'll change the size with using left and right bracket key. I'll show this to students as well. Hold shift down and change the hardness or the softness with shift and left or right bracket key, and then change the opacity simply by typing in numbers on your keyboard. So if I want a 20% opacity, I just type in 20, and I usually leave the flow at 100. It's just the way I personally work. So I show them that, and then basically if you're using white as your foreground color, that will pull out the shadows, right? So that sort of dodges. And then if I switch by using X, I use the black as my foreground color, then I can burn in an area. So if I want to burn in this left-hand side. And so I kind of go back and forth with this, changing the opacity. I usually use like a opacity of 10 or something low, and build up my piece here, and constantly switching back and forth. And I tell them that it's really important to know key commands. These are the same exact tools, key commands that Lightroom uses, so I show them that as well. And then you're able to see the difference between the burn and dodge layer and masking. Well, the other thing, masking. Yeah. I guess I might show them how to do a mask on this. I usually try to get them to make the burn and dodge layer 100% correct, but if need be, I'll use masks myself. Right, so you create a mask for that layer, and then you can control the amount of burning and dodging with that mask by just painting that out, or using opacity to change that as well. Okay, so that's how I do it. The other option would be, I've seen this on tutorials before, is that layer 1 would be my burn layer, and then you could have a layer 2 for all of your dodging. But I just do everything on one layer. Yep, that's it. Thanks, bye.